And again, I would love to say happy birthday to all those the January babies. Amen. When it's your birthday, you become a what? A baby. So that's why we say to what? To our January babies, happy, happy birthday. And look at our first baby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.